Hi guys, thank you for clicking and welcome back. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and click on the notification button down below so that you can get notified every time we post a new video. Today we're going to be making homemade caramel and here are our ingredients. So we have whipped cream, caster sugar, vanilla essence, butter, water and some salt. So we are going to first start by putting the caster sugar and the water into the pot. On medium heat. Then make sure not to over stir the sugar so that it cannot have chunks of sugar inside when you're making the caramel. So we are going to let it cook on medium heat till it starts changing the color to a medium light brown or dark brown, to whichever you prefer. So we're just going to give it a little stir. But just don't overdo it. As you can see around the edges, it has started turning to a light brownish color. You can see it has started changing color to now a more dark brown color. I like mine a little dark, so I'm just going to wait a little longer for it to turn a little darker. So now we have the right color. Now this step you have to be careful when adding the whipped cream because the steam could burn you. So make sure to stir it till it mixes in well. So we're going to let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes while cooking. After the 4 minutes, we're going to add in a healthy half teaspoon of salt or to your preferred taste. For the final step, we are going to add in the butter. So after that, our caramel is ready, so we're just going to take it off the heat. So for the vanilla essence, I'm just going to add a little, like a small teaspoon, just to give it that nice smell. Then we let the caramel cool completely. The good thing about homemade caramel is that you're able to control the color from light brown to dark brown according to your preference. Caramel can be used in frosting of cupcakes, cakes, anything that you love, pancakes and all. Thank you for watching and thank you for clicking. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and click on the notification button down below to get notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, bye!